This is curry chicken. Chicken, white rice. Oh my lord. The aroma. Hello everyone. This is Auntie Rose's Kitchen again. I must say Happy New Year to you all. And I just want to say thank you all for giving me your wonderful comments and my cooking. Today what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make one of the quickest and nutritious curry chicken. Here I have my chicken already washed and cut up. So what I'm going to start with, my, I just use a little amount of salt, just a little sprinkle of salt. Of course, a little black pepper here. And here I have my curry powder. All right, you're gonna sprinkle the curry all over. Wow, look at the juicy meat. Okay, and then of course, yes, you're gonna use a little paprika. Sprinkle a little paprika over. And then I'm gonna use a little, this is pimento, ground pimento. And of course, yes, I have a little ginger here. The ginger is very good. It's going to give it a wonderful flavor. Then what you're going to do now, you're going to start to rub everything in your chicken here. Okay, word, you're going to marinate the meats together. Just for a little time. And remember, I tell you that I don't eat no meats without no bones. I like to see the bones in, then I know what meats I'm eating. I have a little olive oil here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little oil over there. I'm going to take my chicken over here. You hear it? I have my chopped onions here. So I'm going to put a small amount. What you're going to do now, you're going to medium burner. Along with the chicken, I'm going to make some lovely white rice. As you all know, curry chicken and white rice goes very, very good together. And of course, yes, I have my potatoes here and carrots. Later on, I'm going to also put it in the chicken when the chicken is half cooked. Okay. Now, as you all know, curry chicken do not take a very long time. It's a very easy dinner. And it takes around 20 minutes, I would say. So it's like, you know, whenever you want something very nutritious and very, very quick, you can go to a curry chicken dinner. I enjoy curry chicken. It's a dish from almost anywhere. And I do believe that everybody loves curry chicken. And that is one of our Auntie Rose's favorite. Medium burner. You have to stir it very, very often. Because what it's doing here now, its own juice, it's steaming with its own juice. So while it's cooking, the juice is also coming along from the chicken. I have 2 cups of rice here, the white rice, and this is parboiled rice. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the rice over. I have 2 cups of water here already boiling. So I've already washed that rice. Some people wash rice, some people don't. But it don't make no difference because, of course, yes, it's going to be to a boiling point that everything is going to be okay. Sometimes I cook my rice without salt, but you can sprinkle just a small amount of salt in it. Because what really happens, you have to try to eliminate salts. I'm trying to eliminate salts in 2026 in order to protect my health sometimes. Okay, I have a small amount of butter here, margarine. So I'm going to put a small amount of the margarine in the rice. And I'm gonna cover. Okay, again, medium heat for the rice. When I was a young girl growing up, my mother, she always said rice is a staple of our family. So I grew up on rice, also ground foods. The real foods that we can also eat is the food that produced from the soil. Today, I believe that is one of the best. So I said to my mother, I said, Mama, every day, it's like we are eating potatoes and banana and pumpkin and yams. So what happened to the kind of food? She said, what kind of food? I said, I want spaghetti. She said, well, sometimes you can have spaghetti, but the real food from the soil is one of the best. So I say, okay, what I'm going to do, when I grow up, I'm going to have a spaghetti dinner every night. She said, every night? I said, yes. So when I launched out on my own, my first apartment, guess what I did? I went out and I bought a box of spaghetti and a whole jar of spaghetti sauce. And man, I cook up a pot of spaghetti. The whole entire week I was eating spaghetti. Believe you me, surprisingly, next few days I said, oh, no, this is not the kind of food that I really wanted. I realized that the food that I grew up on, I also crave that food now. So tonight, the curry chicken here is going to be one of the quickest and one of the best. And I hope you also will see and understand that you can do a good quick cooking in very, very no hassle, very easy time. Here is the potatoes and the carrots, and the time I'm going to use this when the chicken is actually cooked, like in halfway, okay? So the rice is simmering over there and the chicken. Remember now, you have to continuously stirring the chicken. Look at it here, you see it coming along? All right, so the chicken, you cut it in bite-sized pieces because while it's cooking, the chicken is getting bigger and bigger in the pot. So here you have to cut it bite-sized pieces that you can manage it very, very good. I'm going to use some ketchup here. And of course, yes, you can use a little barbecue sauce. It depends on to the extent of the flavor that you want to use. But remember, the curry is the one that gives the best flavor. Okay, and this is Grace's hot curry. And remember, just a pinch of salt, your black pepper, and ginger is a must, and your pimento. This is the crushed pimento. This is the ketchup. And of course, yes, you have some chopped onions here. Wow. Look at this. Wow, the aroma. Auntie Rose's curry chicken. Carrots. Potatoes. Okay. Oh my God. Can you smell? Oh, the aroma blows me away. All right, so what I'm going to do now, you can put a little water here. This is hot, so the water is still going to be hot. And then you can put it here over the chicken. It's steaming. So you're going to lower your burner here a little bit more. Okay. And here I'm going to check on my white rice. Wow, fluffy and nice coming up. Oh, yes. Even the rice, the aroma from the rice. I love rice. Okay. I always said that dinner don't have to be hassle. Everything I does in this kitchen, it is so quick, nutritious, no hassle food. So you can take example of what I'm doing here, that whenever you come home from work or maybe lunch or whenever you decide to cook, all in all you have to do, just pull out something from the refrigerator very quick. And this is a menu that the kids can enjoy also. The only spice I have left to put in that chicken is the ketchup right here. If you also like, you can use a little barbecue sauce. But it also have lots of ingredients on already, which is the pimento, a little salt, black pepper, and this is the curry, paprika, and ginger. And just a little bit of oil just to start it off, okay? Because remember, the chicken is already producing oil. So you have to just use maybe a tablespoon of oil. Okay, and you have to keep on stirring it because you don't want nothing burn over here. Everything here is very easy to cook. The meat is cooking very tender and very properly. And this was also a young chicken. So anything that you are going to cook very quickly, you have to make certain that you buy the young, tender meat. Okay. Okay, I would also love to hear how you also spend your Christmas. My Christmas was very, very nice. Of course, yes, I went to church. I see some of my friends, great friends. I also get to see some of my homeless friends. They knew me by now. They would come by and they said, "Did you cook?" I said, "Yes, but unfortunately, at this point, I make a ham and I took the ham to somewhere different because I know you all will have something from the church at this point." Okay, but they said, you should bring me dinner. I said, okay, what I'm going to do then, in my next session, I will bring you foods. So they are looking out for me each time, but I can never forget them because, they are my friends and they do have friends out there. And I love them because, as we all know at this point, homelessness can take anyone. Homeless. It's no shame. Anyone can be homeless. Please God, have mercy on us. Okay, folks, I'm going to check on my chicken now. I know it ought to be ready. Wow. Wow, you see this? Been ready. Here I'm going to put my curry chicken. Woo. Wow, look at this. And I'm gonna check on the rice. Wow, shelly and nice. Look at the white rice. Oh my Lord. The aroma, it's killing me. You can smell it out there? Oh my Lord, this is cooking in a few minutes. Look how delicious. Auntie Rose, you can do it. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait. Look at the chicken. Look at the carrots. Look at the potato. Look at the sauce. I know it's hot. Steamingly hot. Auntie Rose, yes, you can do it. I can't wait. Auntie Rose's kitchen. You have me hopping. The meat. Yes, this is cooking. Auntie Rose's kitchen. Oh, 25 minutes, dinner ready. It's one of the best. Oh yes, I wish you were here. This is curry chicken. Chicken, white rice. Oh my Lord. The aroma. Make sure that you subscribe to Auntie Rose's Kitchen. Hit the notification bell. Leave all your comments. Remember, Auntie Rose's kitchen. Thank you. You smell it? Wow! Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Auntie Rose's kitchen. Wow!